Great. Thank you, Alyssa. And thank you so much to all the speakers today. These were really great presentations. I appreciate hearing these case studies from Akeen and Brandon and hearing all the guidance and input from Joel and Rob on how we can better make decisions under deep uncertainty. So we can just quick flip to the next slide, but some reflections from the Decisions for the Decades game specifically. I think that game really highlighted the need to make investments with imperfect information. In this case, it was a cone made out of legal paper, but in the real world, we also have imperfect information and it can be really challenging to make decisions. It also highlighted for me that risk tolerances or appetites really vary among individuals, within organizations, within cities and regions. And I think we really need to openly discuss this as part of the planning process. So that was a big takeaway for me. We also talked about understanding what information you really need to inform adaptation decisions and that it might not always be what you expect. And then I don't need to rehash all the different DMDU methods that we went through today with Joel and Rob, but obviously there are a lot of different tools available that we can employ to help us make not better predictions, but better decisions, including considering multiple futures, seeking robust and adaptive plans, and analyzing data to identify conditions which may cause our policies or our systems to be vulnerable across a range of metrics. So a lot of tools out there. And again, I really appreciate Brandon and Akeen bringing your perspectives to the group today with your case study presentations. Brandon, from your presentation, I wrote down you have to balance communication and transparency with analytic rigor. I think that's a really important takeaway. And Akeen, I think, like Allison was just mentioning, who's on our climate adaptation program at PWD, your on the ground example of applying DAP is something we're going to be looking to as we're working to develop adaptive management plans for our infrastructure systems at PWD. So thank you again so much to everyone for participating today.